distinct products and just put rod. And similarly, one more table. Distinct of, it is not like we can use caps or small. It is not specifically to that what we call. Um, I'm not getting the term what we call exactly. Now distinct of sales date. So what it will do is, I have two tables. I have created product and sales table. We take out this. Now I'm going to establish relationship between these with the help of these two tables. I'm making other relationship to get the exact data whatever we're looking for. Let me drag to date. Similarly, here it is one only because we have taken distinct values, unique values. We have one here and many here. Similarly, one product here and multiple products here. So now we have two different tables. Two fact tables here in this model and two dimension tables. It means for this fact table, I am getting data from date and product. Whatever I have, this multi relationship between this table. Similarly, for the MRP table also, I am getting data for date and product. Okay, it means it is not a combination of this date and this date. We are segregating the data in such a way that even this MRP table also can access distinct dates and distinct products. Even the sales table also can take data from dates and products. So these can be called as bridge tables, where we are using intermediately between these tables, or we can call as role playing dimensions. So in such cases, what will happen is, let me take the values. Now whatever the dates we have taken should not be from this table. We have to take the dates from the other table. Let me take now. Let me completely take a new table. Now I want to see date wise, product wise, what is MRP and what is selling price. To do so, I have to go to the date table and take the date, because it is a one side table. We have three dates: 19, 20, 21. Okay, let me format. If you see here again, every time I no need to go here and change the values, font, whatever. If I click on any of the tables which is already formatted, if I click on format painter and we just apply here, the same font will come here. So no need of going the settings and do. Now we have date, and let me format it to proper format. And there's something called product, which is again we have segregated into one single table, the product. And here from MRP table and product table, I'm just taking MRP, and from the sales table, I'm just taking selling price. Now you see for the product, on the day 19th, the cost of meat is 30 and selling price is 10. Similarly, on 19th, the cost of where is it? Wheat is 20 and it was sold for 10 rupees or $10. On 20th, the cost of wheat is 10. Okay, I have made as 15. Actually, this should be MRP should be higher. This is the maximum retail price, and selling price should be less. Okay, for understanding purpose, whatever the data. On 20th, wheat is 10 and it was sold for 15. So now you got how to deal with many to many relationships?
Now too many questions, Murli.
Yeah, please, no problem. You can ask.
The last table just now you created, right?
Uh-huh.
Why does it show like, the data on the date column or table,
Hmm.
whatever? It
Okay.
doesn't have the date for the meat in the top row.
Yes, yes. Let
What is that?
me. Yeah,
The
yeah.
data is like all of the data seems like that. I didn't understand why is it appearing like.
No, no, no. It is not like that. If you go here, let me take you to edit queries. Here we can see whatever the tables we have created. You're already aware. Now, if I go to the MRP table, I have something called date, product, and MRP. Similarly, for sales, I have these two. You see 19, 20, 21. We have three dates here. Similarly, in the sales, we have 19, 20, 21.
The last,
I think the
hmm,
order, I think the data type have to make it as
the
active so
last
that.
one you did it 2008, number 4,
Oh, okay, okay.
2109.
Yeah, that is the problem. Yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes. Good catch, man. Thank you. Even I'm about to see why exactly it is showing as error. Now see, okay, and again I have to change there in this table as well, because here also I have taken distinct of that. Now, whatever the formula I've used to take the distinct value from this table, what is the date table? Earlier it was 208, then it would have taken 208 again. Now I've changed the value in the table 2018. Then by default, whatever the modifications we are doing on the parent table and whatever the calculations are based on and deriving out of the existing table, it will be changed automatically. Now we see the exact data. See, this is one table, this is other table. I'm combining these two tables at one single table to see all data at single glance instead of taking two different tables. I'm just taking only one date, one product, but different MRP and different selling price. This can be achieved because many to many is not directly supported. We should use or we must use something called bridge tables or role playing dimensions to overcome this many to many situation, because it's really a tough challenge to handle this many to many in Power BI or in SSAS tabular model.
So in real time scenario, we
Yes,
we
we
have
should
to
use. We
do
use.
something like this.
Yes, if you are in a situation to use many to many things, we need to rely on something called role playing dimensions.
Okay.
And again, now we have already taken the date and product from these two different tables. So to avoid confusion, what we will do is we'll just go to the date field from the respective tables and we'll just hide them because no one can see. Because again, few may confuse like why date here and why date here, something like, because we are giving this report to the business users or end users who doesn't have any idea of the data. They just want to see the values. They want just the metrics. They don't want what data is doing, what you are doing internally. They don't want that. And to make them understand in Power BI service also, if we click on this data set, they can see the data at the right hand side. So in such cases, to avoid confusion why two different dates or two different products here, in each of these tables, I will just go and I will just hide this products. We just take from this table. Similarly, in the sales table also, we can just go and you can just hide. Now see, MRP and sorry, date is from this table, product is from this table, MRP and selling price, these two tables. So this is how we can handle many to many relations in Power BI. So this is what relationships is all about in Power BI, like one to many, one to one, many to many. In general, most of the cases, it is recommended to use a star schema model where we have a relationship between one fact table and dimension table. See, these are all dimensions. This is fact table. One to many, one to many, one to many. Again, even in the see, you are aware of star schema and snowflake schema, right? Star schema is from one dimension to fact table relation means star schema, make one to many. if this dimension is again dependent on this dimension, and this dimension is again dependent on this dimension, this makes a snowflake schema. And to avoid even that such cases, we need to adjust the data accordingly in our underlying database itself or in a SQL Server itself. While bringing data to Power BI, we need to be prepared. The data should be in a format in a star schema model, like one to many, like central fact table and surrounded by dimensions table, because that would make our life easy while doing it this Power BI. I mean, generally the BI. I mean that because again the data discrepancies, the ambiguity, and circular dependency, inactive filters or inactive relationship, everything will occur. And again, sometimes we have to rely on this something called bridge tables or role-playing dimensions to get the work done. Even see here, this is the dimension. Okay, let me order in such a way. This is the dimension. This is fact table. This is fact table. This is central dimension. Again, this is one dimension. The fact table, fact table. And now, okay, shall I continue or can I? Okay, I think it's 7:50 already. Okay, let's stop today for now. Okay, are you clear or any confusion? Okay, because tomorrow also we are going to discuss on this. If you have any queries on that, we can discuss clearly on tomorrow as well, because relationships are very important to understand. Tomorrow we will see how bidirectional filters is not every time is a cup of cake. Even now I can tell because the data whatever we are seeing here, but I will just take the actual data with more data in from the tables and explain how that is not. I mean, every time it is not possible with many to many. Sorry, bidirectional cross filtering.
Okay.
Okay.
Morally, before we leave, I was installing Power BI Desktop,
Okay.
and do we need credentials to log in? Yeah.
No, nothing. It's just free tool. We can just go to powerbi.com or sorry, Power BI desktop.
Yeah, I already installed it.
Okay, then fine. No, when we require credentials is because now you are seeing my thing, my screen, right? You can see my name here. If I want to publish the report or data set to the Power BI service,
It will
in such
ask.
cases I need credentials. And again, if I want to import any custom visuals or any themes, so for example, now I have something like custom visuals. I have to import from marketplace. So to access this marketplace, I need some credentials. Because
Yeah,
what
but
I mean, I will providing the credentials. Let's say okay, at least just wait for 2 days, 2 more days. Once we have familiarized all this, once we start report development, I'll be providing this just 2 days. I can able to log in Power BI service and you can play around with this. Okay, just
no,
wait
even
2 days.
for the beginning, it is asking me after the welcome Power BI Desktop.
No. Yeah. If it asks a welcome, if it, yeah, I understand. If it asks for credentials, what you will do is just click on that, sign in, and just close again. That's all.
Yeah, I did that, but it's not coming because it asks company name also with asterisks.
Yeah, no,
Name,
don't
last
sign
name,
in.
email address. For,
Yes. Don't sign in. Let me show that. See, it will come like this, right? Just click.
1 second, hold on. Huh? No. Once I install it and try to open it,
Okay, let me show. Let me take other one.
I can't click anything else because the welcome window is coming with asking name, last name, email, company, or something like that.
Yeah, you are getting something like this, right? When you open,
Oh,
see my screen. You are
yes,
getting something like this,
yes,
right? Okay. What you have to
yes.
do is click on this. Already have Power BI account. Click on this. Okay.
Okay.
Just click on this and click on this. That's all. It will disappear. Now
Oh,
again,
do it.
just close this. That's all. Okay. Let me show again.
Yeah.
Whenever
1
you get
second.
something like this,
I filled all those details when it
no,
prompted me
no
to.
need, no need, because I'll be providing you the credentials. No need.
Yeah, I don't want to use company's credentials to.
Yes, no.
for
No
the
need.
personal training and so on.
No, we can use, but again, if you have any account already, we can use that account. But what I'm telling is, no need to sign up anything. I will be providing credentials for you so that you can directly access that. See, I got something like this, means no need to fill everything. Means it will be asking your personal details to get that license. Then what it will do, just click on this already have Power BI account, sign in. Just
Yeah, I
click
did
here,
that.
it will again open for sign in. Just close this
Oh,
window
close it. I already give him that.
and again close
Okay.
this. That's all. Okay, just bear 2 days, and by the end of this week
Yeah.
or from starting from Monday, I will be giving the credentials. I mean, I will be sharing to your
Yeah.
email, like email ID and password. I mean, for the Power BI license.
Yeah, it's coming,
Okay.
so we don't need it till publishing. All right.
Okay.
No
Okay.
problem.
Fine.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Then we'll meet tomorrow the same time. Okay.
Okay. All right.
One more thing. Whatever you are seeing the movies and Northwind database, I will provide the scripts for that. Just execute in SSMS. I think SSMS is already installed at your end.
Yes.
SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, go there, and I mean, you'll be getting that after some time. You go there.
Did you already send
Open.
it or?
No, not yet. Not yet. I will be sending to your. Or else I will be sharing my Dropbox link. You can just download from there. What you have to do is take the scripts of whatever I've sent and
Yeah.
take into SSMS and execute that, so that database will be created in your local server.
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
Let us know when you create or
Yeah.
send it to.
Sure. I will. Okay, Lakshmi. Okay, Alam. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
Yes,
Okay.
sorry,
Bye.
one more thing. Sorry, tomorrow it's not possible. I will meet on Friday. I have some personal commitment today, tomorrow morning. I have some work.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm
Tomorrow is
out.
Wednesday.
Yeah, tomorrow is Thursday.